it wouldn't slip away. But the more I tried to keep us, the more we started to fade. We were right there, on the edge of something real, close enough to touch it, far enough to disappear. Every word unspoken, every moment out of reach. We were caught between the lines of what we couldn't be. Our love was almost falling just before the feeling. Hearts were barely breathing while we tried to keep it. We almost, but it slipped right through us. Almost there, almost there. So close, but not enough. Almost there, almost there. We were right there, then it slipped away. Every night I trace the memories, like they're written in the air. All the pieces of a future that we never got to share. We were fire without burning, we were light without a spark. We were reaching for each other, but kept missing in the dark. I was holding on to something that was already gone. We were trying to be forever, but we didn't last that long. We were right there, on the edge of something real, close enough to touch it, far enough to disappear. Every word unspoken, every moment out of reach. We were caught between the lines of what we couldn't be. Our love was almost falling just before the feeling. Hearts were barely breathing while we tried to keep it. We almost, but it slipped right through us.